In this step-by-step video, I walk you through how to create and connect your Bybit API key so you can securely link your trading account to our automated trading bot. Navigate to the Manage Keys section, click the plus Add New button, and New Form appears with the following fields. At this point, you need to generate the API key and API secret on Bybit. In a new browser tab, go to bybit.com and log into your account. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and from drop-down menu, click on API to open the API management page. On the API management page, click Create New Key. Choose System Generated API Key. Select API Transaction. In the API name field, type a name. In the API, key permission set to Read-Write. Select Unified Trading and uncheck the USDC derivatives trading. Finally, click Submit button and confirm. You are shown the API key and secret key. Copy API key value and paste it to the API key field in the form. Do the same with the API secret. Finally, click in Save API Key button. You are ready to start your trading bot. Click the Start Trading Bot button to set up your trading bot. Fill out the required fields in the pop-up. Select your connected API key. Use leverage if you need it, otherwise let it run. Enter your investment amount in USDT. Optionally set a take profit and stop loss. Select your trading pair. Once configured, click Start button. The bot will now enter a pending state. You can manually check Bybit to see when the bot opens a position. In the top menu, hover over Trade. Under Futures, select your trading pair. In this case, BTC/USDT. After a short while, you will see the position open in the Positions tab on Bybit. Return to your trading bot, refresh the page, and you will see that the bot's status has changed to active. To view trade level details, click on the button Trading History.